Good morning, Goenkans. Your today's lesson is from our past first, that is History book, Chapter 1 What, Where, How, and When, Unit 1. We'll talk about names of India. India is derived from Indus, which is a Sanskrit word. The Iranians and Greeks invaded India and called India as Hindos or Indos. And finally, the name Bharata comes from Rig Veda. So the people from northwest who read Rig Veda consider this region as Bharata. Now the next important question comes up: how? As we have understood about what, where, the next important question is how. How can we find out what was in the ancient times? So there are three basic things that we go for. The first is the manuscripts, that is, the documents which are written by hand. Now, to decipher the manuscripts, the first thing is you must be aware of that script. These manuscripts in ancient times were written either on the palm leaves or on the birch tree, and the palm trees were tied together as well. Most common language of Indian peninsula, as you see, was Sanskrit, Prakrit, or Tamil. Now, Prakrit, considered as a language of common man. Next comes up inscriptions. Inscriptions, that is writing on hard surface. So it can be a stone, it can be metal. All of inscription that was seen were the writings on the hard surface, and these writings were in the form of script, and this script could be either a letter or sign that we used. Then finally comes up archaeology. That is the things that were used in the past. So let's say you are digging something somewhere and you get to find a small pot or a piece of rock. You can decipher what kind of utensils did people used, what kind of living styles they had, even what kind of living area they have. Things are explored by archaeologists. So archaeologists are the people who mainly excavate the areas and find out the result based on those. Now, bones of animals bones of animals are most important idea to find what people ate. Now, dear Goenkans, can you say what are inscriptions and how do you think they help to study about the past? Thank you.